welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into a new Gmail account. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Gmail app, and then at the top right corner you'll see an account icon. Click on it. Here you'll find add another account in the near end of the pop-up. Click on it. Here you'll find various options to add a new email address. For now, click on Google. Once this tab is open, click on the email or phone slot and then write in your email address of the account you want to add into your device. And now once you're done writing in the email, click on the next button which is above the keyboard in the right hand side. Now once this tab is opened, all you have to do is write in the password you used while creating your Gmail account. If you can't remember your password, then you can click on forgot password and then retrieve it. Once you're done writing the password, click on the next button. And now in this tab, all you have to do is click on the I agree button in the right side. Now once the main tab is open, click on the account icon once again and then click on your desired account. Now you have logged in into your desired account successfully. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.